So this week I decided to make spaghetti for dinner. So it's Sunday, it's meal prep, Sunday reset. So I have 2 pounds of ground turkey and 1 pound of ground turkey Italian sausage that I fried up here. Here I have my water boiling for my spaghetti. That's just ground turkey in my pot. I didn't clean it out because why? There's spaghetti going in it. Alright, so I start out with this ragu, tomato, garlic, and onion sauce. And then I'm going to doctor it up. I'm going to add sliced mushrooms, minced garlic, seasoned salt, Italian seasoning, oregano, basil, and then maybe a little black pepper. And then here I have my tomatoes, my red onions, and my cucumber. And then I have a bag of salad mix. I can't get that out. Hold on. I got a bag of salad mix there that I'm gonna make a salad with the spaghetti. Did I ever show my refrigerator? I have a big refrigerator. It's so nice. We got delicious strawberries down there, some watermelon for me and the hubs, some juice, yogurt, cheese and crackers, some breakfast meals. I just jumped the tracks. All of our drinks and some cheese, some grapes, some pie crust that I didn't do nothing with. I cleaned that spot out to put the spaghetti in when I'm done cooking. And just normal in the door stuff. Just normal in the door stuff. So anyway, drawer on the way. Deja, move back. We cleaned out the truck, so all of our winter stuff is here in this seat, and it's getting ready to go in the tote in the bottom of the truck. A couple of bags, bunch of stuff. Hubby got him a new Coach backpack for his Mac, for his editing. So that's going in the back. But anyway, so this is what it is. Got my spaghetti noodles. You know, it's a truck, so I don't have a lot of counter space. So I use the lid to the sink. My spaghetti noodles, I like ranch on my salad. Hubby likes honey mustard on his salad. And that's it. I had to move the stuff off the counter while I'm cooking. So anyway, my kitchen sink, it's got a little ground turkey in it that I'm going to get out in just a minute. But that's it. I bought this little, these seasoning glass jars for my spices. But everything, I don't understand, like, what did it have? It didn't have one for Italian seasoning. The pre-made labels, like, why would you not have one for Italian seasoning, but you got one for oregano and basil? So I had to just write on there, and I just wrote I-C. My everything bagel seasoning, smoky bourbon. Hubby puts that on all the meat. They do have one for parsley, but I just bought new parsley, and I don't remember where I put them. I put them in here, and I don't feel like getting them. But anyway, they stay in there nice and neat. My old seasonings would jump out, so hubby took the little piece of styrofoam that came around the jars. Why my phone gonna ring? And add it there. But anyway, y'all, we'll be back when the food is ready. The spaghetti is done. There's plenty of sauce. I forgot I added garlic powder and onion powder. I just forgot to take it out. But there's plenty of sauce down around the side. So I'm just gonna let it sit. And be done. Spaghetti's done.